Hello friends, today I would like to review this model of mine. I had made it 1 year ago. Now its structure has become quite damaged. I tried to make it exactly like a 4L engine, or its acceleration, or some gears have been installed. It gets supply of 12 volt, or our lovely Audi car alloy, or the battery which gets charged with the help of an engine, and the headlights, etc. of the car are used, or all its gears, or we have shown the rear tire. And like a real car engine, it also has to be started with a key. Or our potential meter, or its 4-cylinder, or the 12-volt blue light. So, now you see how Celia was doing 12 months ago. So friends, it's like you worked so hard.